Hey, in this video, we're actually going to look at the code demo for using cookies with JSP. So let's kind of pull it all together with a real example. So we're going to have 3 pages that we're going to build in this video. So the first thing we'll start off with is the cookies homepage. So this is for our little training portal. So if the user has a favorite language selected, then we'll show them a list of new books on that topic, news reports, and hot jobs, and so on. So by default, if they don't have any cookie set, we'll simply just make use of Java as their default language. Now, at the bottom, they have a link where they can actually personalize this page and choose a different language. So this will take us over to our cookies form where they can select their own programming language or their favorite programming language. And here, Java, C#, PHP, Ruby, they can select that favorite language. Like say, for example, they chose Ruby, they hit submit. Then at the bottom, we'll give them their response page or like confirmation page saying, hey, thanks, we've set your favorite language to Ruby. Now, when they return back to the home page, then new versions of the home page will make use of that cookie that was set and then show that information accordingly. So let's look at a real quick demo here. So starting at the home page, by default, the language is Java. So we're assuming that no cookies are set and we just simply default to Java. Now the user can go through and personalize this page. So here there's a form. They can choose a drop-down list, choose their favorite programming language. So in this example here, I'll choose Ruby. And then I'll hit the submit button. And so again, the confirmation page, hey, we set your favorite language to Ruby. Now, when I return back to the home page, it should personalize it for the Ruby language for me. So here selecting return to home page, and then here it is, new books for Ruby, latest news reports for Ruby, hot jobs for Ruby. So basically what this page is doing now is it's simply reading the cookie value and reading that favorite language, and then it's customizing this page based on that cookie. Now remember, cookies last for a long time. So I can actually close my browser and then come back in and it'll actually remember that cookie information for me. All right, so cookies are persistent. Based on the actual age you set for the cookie, and it'll last for that given time period. So we see this works out for us in this example. So good job so far. All right, so let's talk about writing code, but I always like to start with a to-do list. All right, so the first thing we're going to have to do is create an HTML form to personalize the site. Then we'll need to build a JSP to read form data and set cookies. And then finally, we have to create our home page to read the cookies and display the personalized content. All right, a lot of good things in store here. Let's dive in and start writing some code.